If we want to perform well all around, I come early, so we first start on time. I prepare the customers carefully. I wonder anything to be good. I worked only music all night so it sound perfectly now. Wow, you work really hard. I set up speakers quickly before it gets late. I practice the dance every day, so I remember all the moves. Wow, great! If we practice together, we'll do wonderful on stage. Dan, for the two stage, are real get to room quickly. Ah, true. I brought food. We can eat together later. Perfect after this. Let's keep proceeding happily and energy sharing.
Semuanya sudah